Good morning, viewers. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today, we'll be talking about Rajasthan political crisis and fate of Sachin Pilot. I've already written two articles. One article I wrote on the 13th. In fact, on the Facebook, I wrote on the 13th of July, and then the article was written on 14th. Then another article I wrote. One article on the 14th was looking at the natal chart of Sachin Pilot, and then another article written on the natal chart of Ashok Lod. Now, I will tell you, I will read out what I had predicted in the article, and look what I had written on the Facebook on the 13th. In view, and this Bandhano will be activated after the solar and Sun and Saturn will be aspecting each other, and he plays some political games. And that is what is happening exactly with him. He is playing some games and they are not bringing good results. And they will not bring good results in totality. Uh, the, he's born on discussed in this article. Let us see, have a look on the pilot of the 7th September 1977 of 528 Saharanpur, which I got late evening on the 13th July. He ascended rising to zero and the sun is placed in the second with Mercury, the second and the 11th Lord forming Thanos and Buddha is very powerful. There will be politics in his career. If the 10th house is vacant, a person is subjected to, you know, political drama, and the native may face on account of the same. The 10th house is from where the Ketu is placed and the distortion is in the 11th house. 10th house from Saturn is again Aries, and the Lord is again placed in the 11th house. Very good. Who is the yoga? Mars is the yoga for the chart. The present Dasha in operation is 7 years till 19th January 2020. Now, this present Dasha, Venus and Saturn and Venus is the most enigmatic Dasha in Vimshotri Dasha. We all know about it, and both are placed in the 12th house. Is bound to suffer. As per the are the seeds of our life, the parameters which require important dimension are as follows. The Dasha laws, Saturn and Venus are placed in the 12th planets. Any planets, the Dasha lords, if they are ill placed from the Garbhashiksha planets, then they do not bring good results. It is very simple, straightforward. And their other combinations are ill placed in the fifth house of the birth chart is rising, and there are Rahu Ketu in the 1 7 axis, and the Saturn is also affected in the weekend chart. The 10th house of the D1 is falling in the 6th of the weekend, thereby causing mental, tensions, and agony, creating crisis in the career. The Dasha of Saturn is afflicted in the weekend Lagna, and the Antardasha is Venus, the Lord of the 6th house, giving tensions as explained above. The parameter Dasha Lord is the Patantra Dasha of Jupiter, the 8th Lord of the birth chart, and the Lagna Lord of the weekend chart. Although placed well in the weekend chart, may not be able to support since in the transit it is policy in the signs and players, and in the transit weekend in the 10th house, the sick. But the eclipses over the 1 7 axis of the three planets continues on the 26th December 2019. It is released as moving a downfall as per the theory of inevitability of Mr. K.N. Rao. The solar eclipse of the 21st June 2020 over the little moon at 5.5 to 4 degrees when the eclipse line was 6 degrees and the Mars activated the eclipse point on the 28th June as per the theory of inevitability. Eclipses over the little moon and the dasha of the planet who has more propensity to bring downfall. Then what happens after the Mars activates the eclipse when the negative has a downfall? And that is exactly what is happening. This principle is proving spot on. Transit Saturn in the age from the natal moon, Ashtama Shani. The process started Jupiter will take you in the seventh house from natal moon and in the fifth from the Rata Lord, good at all, not good at all, for good position in Greek politics. Now have a look at the Astro chart. The Munta is placed in the 10th house and the Munta Lord is placed in the 8th house, makes everything clear. And the Munta Lord is Sun. The Munta is in the 8th house, makes things crystal clear. The willing progression chart. The 10th house from the moon is in the progression chart is Venus, which is also the 10th house of the natal chart and verification. And here of the 10th house of the natal chart is Mars and Venus in the 8th of the natal of the moon in the willing progression chart. What can Sachin expect from the above combinations? If we do something or if we had consulted a full astrologer, he would have not taken an aggressive stance which would prove very costly for him and then lose the present position. I had listed that he will lose the position and he has lost the position. Horoscope of Ashok Group, the horoscope need not be discussed. Violent horoscope, since certain violent horoscope and the present data is arithmetic one and we don't bring any gain and any balance to him for the message translated by him, and he will, it may prove very costly for him. In the end, you see, now I will discuss the second, the second article that I discussed. I will mention you the articles in the video link, and now we discuss that will second project be successful in toppling the government in Rajasthan. So that is what the article is. Just read out. So we will be discussing this. One minute. So we will be discussing this article, the second article, will second ballot be successful in toppling the road government in Rajasthan. So this I have discussed the horoscope of Ashok Gehlots also. It is also not very promising one. This is in continuation to my earlier article. I had crystal clear predicted that Sachin Bharat may marry several lead governments by the game in politics and the predictions have proved spot on. However, now let us see if it couples with government of Ashok Gehlots Rajasthan. Let us have a look on the horoscope of Gehlots on the 3rd May 1951 at 9:50 hours. You see, the start of Kali Lagna, which is the most difficult sign for the horoscope, so the Kendras are known by Helvix, and the Lord of the Kendras protect the Helvix and Helvix. The Lagna Lord in the 11th house, the two more planets forming a small triangle make the horoscope strong. That makes it known in the 10th house along with much amount of show, which makes the horoscope back straight. But Saturn as the eighth lord and Jupiter as the seventh lord, Jupiter becomes the first class star. Thus, connection makes Jupiter a first class star, and therefore the natal is bound to its trouble in the channel, especially when the Dasha of Rahu Saturn is in operation till 20th October 2020. Note this parameter. The Dasha operation is Rahu Saturn, and Rahu Saturn or Rahu is placed on 10th house and Lord, and Saturn is creating a Marak Yog in the 10th house. So the Garbhashya planets are the four planets which are the seeds of our life, and whatever good or bad are given by them. The Victus from the 10th house is Ketu, and it is placed on the Garbhashya planet Saturn. Next week, combinations such as the Dasha of Rahu or Saturn. This Rahu is also placed on the 10th house and 10th lord, and the Victus from the 10th house is Ketu, but Saturn is well placed on the 10th house, 10th lord, but again, considering the laws, since disturbing the law and connection with these set of laws. The book finds that Rahu is Yoga as a author of Rahu in Kela, but Rahu has no connection with the 10th house and 10th lord. And we all know that Rahu is a disturbing factor for in politics. The Dasha lords do not give strength to the 10th house, but give strength to Rahu, who is known for the ups and downs in the political career. There is no saving as per the Dasha, especially for the Gemini Lagna ascendant. The following parameters are important in the chart. Garbhashya planets well placed in the 10th house and 10th lord. Garbhashya planets meeting 10th lord in Mars. Garbhashya planets still placed on connection Ketu. So the power is withdrawn in such cases. Dasha lords allow them to be placed under Dasha rule. Crisis. The civic legacy, the country, Dasha rule is strong. On the other hand, special period like Dasha has given in such type of happening, Dasha and to grow. The smarter chart, the sixth house of the chart is rising, still shows actions in the career. Now, please, the 12th house of the smarter chart means order, care of distribution. Lagna of the birth chart is born in the 8th house of the smarter chart, and the Lagna lord of the D1 is placed there in the 8th house, making clear that the future of Ashok Group is also not clear because after Rahu Saturn, the Dasha will be of Rahu Mercury, and there is liable that he may even lose his future, which will come in October. And 10th house of metal moon is Ketu, and the axis of the 10th house is not activated by Saturn to give good days. The mass, the sign ahead, the sign is Pisces and not activated by both Saturn and Jupiter. That shows the connection being right in negative. Only Saturn is in the 11th of moon is good, and the PV of Saturn. This Saturn may give him some saving, but with a lot of difficulty. Transit Jupiter in the 10th from the natal moon is not considered good, and more so it is in the fallen state in the 7th house from the Lagna. Bushveld chart. The Buddha is placed in the 5th house, and the Buddha is placed in the 3rd house, and Jupiter is good in prosperity. But unfortunately, Jupiter is with Mars and Saturn. Again, it shows, although it is good, but it brings also shows difficulties. Now, the Vedic progression chart, in the Vedic progression chart, the 10th house from Moon is very strong, and the 10th lord is placed in the 11th house. But the natal 10th house is placed in the 8th house, then it is aspect the Jupiter Pisces sign is in the 8th house, and it is aspecting the moon. So somehow or the other, he may even get through this time, but the future is not secure for him, and he will have a lot of difficulties even in proving his majority. So, and the final predictions I can only give because birth charts are not really authentic, and there may be some difference. But when it comes to the floor test, then the time when the floor test is announced, I will make a final prediction on this. But it seems and there is difficulty for the Congress government in the Rajasthan, and Sachin Pilot may not gain anything in the process, and he may be responsible, I would say, for disturbing the government in Rajasthan if Galot is not able to prove his majority on the floor. He is using odd methods to get to prove himself. But if he had known astrology, and if he had shown his horoscope to a good astrologer, then he would not have taken this aggressive step, and he would have remained in power. But as destiny would have it, the Shah of Saturn, Venus for him is not good placed in the 12th house and is most enigmatic till 2022. As I have mentioned, he may not gain any mileage. Sachin Pilot may not gain any mileage. The horoscope of Galot is definitely better than Sachin Pilot, and he has chances to continue for some time. But the future is also not secure, especially Rahu Mercury. So, friends, this is all I just wanted to share. And when the time comes of the floor test, I will also predict on the basis of the floor test the time. I will predict exact what can happen. But things are difficult even for Ashok Galot. This is what can be seen. So, friends, this is all about what I wanted to discuss. And thank you for listening to me, and see you in the next video. Thanks.